See, Georgie trying her new uniform. Georgie, where are we going?
We don't choose spinach.
Spinach?
Yeah.
We're not going to Spinach.
We're not going to finish today.
We're going to mall.
Yeah, we're going to.
School uniform.
We're going to get your school uniform.
Yeah.
It's called City Mall and
If you want to go to school, you have to wear uniform, Georgie.
new mall katabi ng Global Village. Wow.
In 200 meters, your destination will be on the right.
Ayan. We will get George's uniform here. Right? Oh, are you? What's the matter?
You can't get through.
Okay.
So you just go that way, you can't get through.
Oh, everybody's going the wrong way then. That's not good. Where's the letter A? Okay, turn around. Look at mommy. Pose, pose.
Wait.
Wave.
When I wake up, I feel cozy, yeah. Can you hold up? Don't need no coffee yet. I've got no makeup. How do you look so fine? Bust up, bust up. How did I make you mine? Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Stay a minute, another minute. Hold on a second, I love this moment, yeah. Don't you love when we take our time to make love? Promise you I'm not wasting time in the bathtub. We don't gotta rush, no.
See, Georgie trying her new uniform. George is going to school, mommy and daddy so excited.
Hang on. Do a twirl for Daddy.
I like to
Go on, do a twirl.
Do a tour.
Do a twirl. Yeah.
You say thank you to the ate scout. Dali na. Say thank you, ate. So, ayan, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung office namin. Georgie, stop jumping, love. So, ito yung room dati ni Georgie. Tapos, ito, PC ni Georgie. Ito, extra PC ni Daddy. Kasi pag mag-work from home siya, kailangan niya ng more monitor. So, ito guys, si Georgie, ayaw niya magpapaupo nito kasi sa kanya daw yan. Kaya napabili si Daddy ng bago niyang upuan kasi so ito guys, napaka-supportive ni husband. Ito yung dock station ko para sa laptop ko. Ayan. Binutasan talaga niya diyan para pag mag-playing ako sa laptop, isaksak ko na lang, lagay ko lang dito, medyo madumi pa. Ito yung mga listahan. Ayan, mga classmate. Hindi ko pa naayos itong room guys. Ito medyo inayos ko konti. Siyempre, nagbe-video ako. Tapos guys, meron kaming spare na lamp. Sabi ko, okay kaya to gawing ring light. O, diba? Okay yung ring light, no? Ano kayang effect nito? Oh, ayos yung ring light ko, Oh, kinis. Oh, pinkish-pinkish. Yeah. O, diba? Oh, tapos na-adjust pa yan, guys, oh. So, hindi na ako bibili ng ring light. Ito na lang yung ring light ko. Sabi ng asawa ko, saan mo to ilalagay? Ay, Daddy, don't dispose that one because I can use that one. Para ring light ko, 'di ba? Kasi para liwanag ang buhay. Mas lalong liwanag ang buhay. Ayos tong ring light na to, ah. O, 'di ba? May pailaw. Ring light, lampshade. Baliw. Oh, 'di ba? Adjust yan kung isang. Ayan. So, ayan si Georgie. Say hello, good morning.
It's Yaya.
What's Yayay?
I'm here.
Show mommy. Where's Yayay? Where's Yayay?
Here.
Why? Did you fall down?
No, I drink too much juice. Now it's Yaya. No. I drink
What?
juice.
It's Yayay?
That's I drink too much.
You drink lots of water, not juice.
Yes, juice.
Hello everyone. Georgie is sleeping. Oh, she's still sleeping, guys. Look at her. Oh, she's still sleeping. Oh. She's oh, she's awake now. Oh, she's awake.
My dad.
Huh?
I'm sleeping like that.
You're sleeping again?
Yeah.
So you are my sleeping beauty. Huh?
I'm sleeping beauty. I'm sleeping Georgie.
You're not sleeping beauty. I'm sleeping Georgie. Ang nakakatawa, guys, ang mga friendship,
Yes, I mean.
pumunta kami ng shop, tapos, sabi ng mga Pinoy doon, hala, ate, ang kit-kit ng anak mo, kamukha niya si si baby Catriona or
Yeah.
Megan Yang, nung baby pa.
Yeah.
Stop jumping, love. Sabi niya doon sa mga sa mga kabayan. No. I am Georgie. I'm not Megan. I'm not, anong sabi niya? I'm not Catriona. Bulol siya konti. Natawa kami. Oh, nag-unboxing siya. Georgie will do unboxing for mommy. Come on. Show to the ate. Let's do unboxing. I do not play the lights. Come on, show mommy. I'll show the ate. So guys, mag-unboxing tayo ng school uniform ni Georgie. So, ito yung binili namin. Kasi 5 days a week din sila. So, bumili kami ng 4 na socks. So, 2, 4, 6, 8. 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12 pair of white socks and 3 din pala to. Oh, so ito yung socks ni Georgie, blue and white. Tapos sa school kasi ni Georgie, mga friendship, may designated talaga sila shop kung saan makukuha yung uniform nila. Hindi ka basta-basta na magpatahe. I think pwede naman siguro, pero madalian na lang kasi alam mo yung wala nang pahirapan ba. Pero pricey talaga siya, mga friendship, kasi siya basta mahal. So ito yung short skirt ni Georgie. Ayan. Big size yung kinuha namin ni Georgie. Yung binibili kong damit niya is pang 4 to 5 years old. So, ganun siya kadako, ganun siya kalaki na bata. Para at least ba may allowance, no? Hindi agad matubuan yung damit. Kasi aksayado bili ng bili. So, hindi talaga maiwasan si mami kasi or si daddy. Si daddy mahilig mag-buy ng mga toys. Si mami mahilig mag-buy ng mga damit for Georgie. So, bumili kami ng short skirt, 4. Just in case, kasi mag-iiwan kami ng ng uniform sa school, just in case madumihan, at least may pamilit siya doon. Malapit lang school, guys, walking distance lang. So, short skirt is 4. Tapos, yung top is 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan siya, guys. Alam mo, nung nag-fitting si Georgie nito, mga friendship, Ayan yung suotin kasi ano daw, dirty. Hindi kasi nalabhan. So, dirty naman talaga. So, ganun siya ka-fussy. So, ayan yung uniform ni Georgie. Excited na kami ni daddy niya. Pero ang challenge nito is kung susuotin niya itong uniform. Kasi malapit na sila mag-start ng school. September 13 for FS1 and FS2, I guess. Basta. FS1, FS2, ano kasi yan sa atin yung nursery ba yun? Or kinder? Ano kasi sa kanila, British curriculum. So, FS1, FS2 ang tawag sa kanila. Tapos, ito yung PE short ni Georgie. Kasi yung tops nila, hindi pa damin bilinan si Georgie. Gawa ng may housing color daw yun. Tinatawag nila. So, hindi pa namin alam kung anong color. So, it's too early to find out pa. So, yes, love. So, ito yung sport short ni Georgie. Bumili kami ng dalawang pares. Ayan. Tapos, yes, love. How can I help you? Oh, that's daddy pig. Okay, you change it if you don't like it. Tapos, bumili kami ng ng stickers, stick-on labels para lagay namin yung pangalan niya. Tapos, stick na lang namin, for example, bag or sa damit niya. Tapos, planchahin. Ayan siya, guys. Oh. Ano ba yan? Ayan. So, si daddy kasi kung ano yung kailangan, gusto niya bilhin agad. Ay, hindi ko siya masisi mga friendship kasi ano tawag nito? Gusto lang niya ibigay kay Georgie kung anong kaya niyang ibigay. Ganun siya ka supportive or responsible daddy. Tapos, yung shoes din mga friendship, doon din, isahan din. So, may posibilidad na pare-parehas sila ng mga shoes. Depende lang sa mga parents kung prefer nila doon bumili, kung saan nila binili yung uniform. So, black shoes ni Georgie. Ayan, oh. Ang laki, oh. Ang laki. Para sa 3 years old, no? Size 27. Kasi mag-socks pa siya para hindi, hindi masikip. Ayan. So, ito yung black shoes ni Georgie. Tapos, ito yung sports shoes. Oh. Diba? Kuan kaayo. Tawag nito. Gasto kaayo. Pero sige lang. Ayan. White. Ayan. Baratuhon. Makapalit ang barato no? Sa kuan. Buklaran. Or sa 168. Ayan. Ayan siya. Oh. Maganda naman yung quality. Oh, magaan. Ayan. So, next. So, let's do shout out mga friendship. Gusto ko lang magpasalamat sa mga nanood sa last premiere namin. Salamat sa inyo mga friendship. At sa mga kaibigan ko. At saka sa pamilya ko din na very supportive. Say hello guys.
Hello, guys.
Say thank you. Thank you for watching our videos.
But well, I can see.
No, you have to sit on my lap.
No.
So, okay, let's do shout out. Wait first, okay? Shout out to you, Bisdak and British channel. Shout out to you, Chin Kuting, Dali Andrada, Maritis Andrada, Danilo Dan, Navarro, Inday on the Go, March Life TV, It's Katis Vlog, Miss Merns, Winsik and Kapila, Mercy and Elif TV. Shout out din kay Marakutanda, shout out din kay Finasu, shout out It's Bits of My Life, shout out That's Bila in Turkey, shout out to Inday Gracia, Inday Grace, shout out to Jerlyn June, hi bebe, shout out kay Sino ba to? Tessa Laurio. Shout out sa mga ka-friendship ko dyan. Shout out kay Nina. Shout out kay Auntie Marilu. Shout out kay Shane, my sister, and Weng. And shout out sa aking katrabaho dati sa anong shop nito, nakalimutan ko. Si Roselyn Oh, you got sticker.
It's for me, Miss Nee.
Oh, shout out kay Dai Roselyn. Salamat sa imuha Dai sa pag always share sa akong mga videos na pinost ko sa Facebook. Salamat kaayo bisan kuan ba bisan gadget ra ganit ang nagkatrabaho na support lang gihapon ka kung unsa kong buhaton. Daghang salamat Dai. Shout out sa imuhang tulo ka chikiting. Shout out din kay Luz, Connor, and Lana. Tapos shout out natin yung nag-comment din sa sa last premiere ko. Shout out to you Shahani Samson. Shout out to you Duray Velarde. Duray, may channel to sila guys ha. Duray's Vlog Plant. Shout out to you Jessie's Vlog. Shout out to you Rachel Silagan. Shout out to you Irene BTV. Shout out to you Annabelle Mahilom. Shout out to you Mamits Jans. Ayan, si Mamits Jans may channel din siya guys. Ano siya dito? OFW. Ayan, thank you Dai Mamits. And shout out to Kalinga in Australia. Shout out to Rose Dave Skills. Shout out to Shaiki. Shout out to Leah Amor. Shout out to Bloomin' Family. Shout out to Jen Fab. Shout out to Nika Di Guzman. Shout out to Aprilan Reels. Shout out to March Life TV. Shout out to Sia Canonig. Paano ba mag-pronounce sa ano mo te? May channel din siya. Shout out to Weng Paka. Shout out to Rixit23. Shout out to Andach Bisdak Europe. Congratulations sa inyo. Shout out to Ruth Yabo. Shout out to Princess Elif Vlog. My channel ito guys, pero pambata. Shout out to you Geraldine Cabrisante. Salamat sa iyo Dai sa pagpanood ng aking video per me ba. Salamat kayo amping ha. Tapos shout out kay Below Average in the Philippines, my channel to guys. Tapos shout out kay Angie Drew. Hi Sisi, salamat sa iyo. Okay, shout out to Momshi Baby in Saudi. Shout out to Inkiser Vlog. Shout out to sino ba to? Maryland in USA. Ayan. So, salamat sa lahat.
A book.
Is it a book?
Yes. We can read stories.
So, thank you everyone.
Look, book.
Okay, show. Oh, you got book. Say thank you everyone.
Thank you, everyone. This is mine.
Okay, it's yours. So, ingat po.
Apple.
Okay. Say please.
Please
Don't
don't
forget
forget
to
to
like
like
and
and
subscribe.
subscribe.
I love you all.
I love you too all.
Aww.
Mommy.
So, you have a good day.
Pink.
Pink. So, you have a good day.
Have this day.
Flying kiss. Show your beautiful smile.
Mommy, a pink pencil. Pink.
Okay. Happy face. Angry face.
No, sad face.
Okay. Happy face.
No, sad.
Sad face.
Angry face.
Angry face.
Silly face.
Silly face.
Da, da,
Yeah,
da,
yeah,
da,
yeah,
da,
yeah,
da, da, da. Mommy.
What's next?
And Mommy, I'm pink.
Scary face.
Yeah. Mommy, I'm pink.
Okay. Wait down. Salamat guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.